Hello, it is Friday the 7th of June 2019. Time is 4:36 and there's a thunderstorm over there. We haven't had any over Somerton just yet, but that could all soon change. This is looking towards Crewkerne, Ilminster, that kind of area, and I think I've just seen a flash of lightning, but I'm not sure. But this is just a quick video to show the clouds at the moment. When a thunderstorm comes overhead, if they do, then I shall video. At the moment the winds are coming from the southeast, and as you can see there's no thunderstorm activity down there whatsoever. However, the wind is due to turn round to westerly direction later on, so this thunderstorm will come over eventually within the next couple of hours. So when that happens, I shall pick up a video. Oh, I think there was a lightning then. Whether it picked up on the camera, I don't know. But as I said, when and if we get a storm come nearer, then I shall do another video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.